Rowan, oh yeah, beat it. You ready? Let's show people how we've been working on our music. Da 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 da. Big, big. You do it. Yeah! Yay! Okay, let's do it again. Pop, pop, pop. Can you do it? Da, da, da. Yay! Oh, you're banging on your drums. I don't want to work. I just want to bang on my drum all day. Beep, 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 beep. You hit it now. Can you bang on your drum? Yeah. Bang on your drum all day. Yeah. Look at you. You're so musical. Oh, I see. You're doing a good job. Pop, 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 pop. Can you do it? I know. Can you do it? Pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Can you do it? Yeah, you can do it. Oh, yeah. Bang your drum. Nice one, buddy. You singing now, too? Can you hit your drum? Pop, pop, pop. Can you do it? Oh yeah. Good job. It makes all kinds of nice sounds. Yeah, I know. Yeah. What are you trying to tell me? It seems very, very serious and important. Is it about your music? You're a serious artist? Say bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye and Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Grandmas. Bye-bye.